In today's video, we're going to show you some of the repair work that's been going on in my parents' home. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. This is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now if this is your kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today I'm basically just showing you what has been done at my parents' home. Now, we haven't tackled the kitchen, but they did do the sheetrock around the door, the pantry door. The cabinets are coming out in next week, I believe. Right now, all the holes in the sheetrock have been replaced and mudded, which I'm so excited about. And the new wood flooring is going down at this very moment. I'm loving all the repair work here on these walls. They did a great job. In here you'll see as well as they repaired all the sheetrock that was torn out from the damage. And then this bathroom will be demolished in a couple of weeks, and so will their bathroom. All that's going to be coming out. That's going to be torn out, and the bathroom is going to be gutted and redone, including the ceiling. It has water damage. Now I'm just going to do a walkthrough and let you see all the repairs from the sheetrock, which I'm happy about, and this beautiful new wood flooring. And they put in some really nice baseboards. They're thicker than what I anticipated, but they're gorgeous. And if you only understood the work that has been done this far, has all been free work, free labor. Yes, we were truly blessed that we were contacted and these companies came out and they did the tearing up of the floors, and all of that was free. They come back and they tore out they replaced all the sheetrock that they tore out. They put it back in, and I got a call last week and they wanted to do the flooring. So we picked out the wood flooring and the carpet, which will be coming in next week. Now that brown tile in the kitchen and at the front door, it will be coming up as well. We're going to get the wood floors continued in that little hallway area to the man cave. It's all going to be the same. And then the kitchen, as you know, is going to be gutted and it's going to have new ceramic tile floors. So everything, when my parents move back in, it's going to be like a brand new home. We're also going to get the interior painted, of course. And if all goes well, I'll be able to get the exterior painted. And so it's all gonna be really nice when I finish. So I'm just wanted to share this tidbit with you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to explore more, why don't you click on one of these videos I have listed here.